Early building condition check. Small defects in a commercial building rarely stay small for long. A structured condition survey helps you spot problems early and record what matters. It also gives you a clearer path for maintenance, safety, and reporting. A commercial condition survey template is a structured checklist for inspecting and documenting the physical condition of a property. It helps surveyors and facility managers record findings systematically. The template covers structural condition, interior and exterior elements, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems, and visible safety concerns. Regular surveys help commercial buildings stay safe, functional, and compliant. They can reveal hidden issues before those issues turn into expensive repairs. Consistent inspections also create a clear history of the property, which supports better decisions, proactive maintenance, tenant safety, regulatory standards, and more accurate property assessments. The template moves through health and safety, MEP systems, interior, exterior, and structure in a logical sequence. That approach helps you cover the property completely. It can take you from walls and roofs to HVAC and fire safety before ending with reporting photos and recommendations. Surveys often uncover problems even in properties that seem well maintained. Frequent findings include water damage and leaks from roofs, walls, and plumbing. Teams may also find outdated electrical panels, faulty wiring, and non-compliant installations, along with HVAC inefficiencies, structural cracks, foundation movement, and unresolved safety hazards. eAuditor Audits and Inspections turns manual inspections into a digital workflow. You can start with ready-to-use customizable templates, complete surveys on a mobile device, and attach photos directly to checklist items. The platform also generates instant reports, assigns corrective actions, and tracks progress in the cloud. Better surveys depend on regular scheduling, clear, simple checklists, consistent training review of past reports for trends, and quick action on issues. eAuditor reduces manual paperwork, improves inspection consistency, speeds up reporting, and supports team communication compliance and audit readiness. Survey timing depends on property use, age, and condition, and reports should include findings, photos, risks, and recommended corrective actions. A structured commercial condition survey template helps you inspect consistently, document clearly, and plan maintenance with confidence. Regular surveys make it easier to catch damage, manage safety, and support compliance. With eAuditor, you can digitize the process and act on findings faster.